Hi guys, today unboxing of Chanel handbag, and this is the new style. I have never seen this style before. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. I truly appreciate your support, guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please at least consider subscribing to my channel, because I would truly appreciate your support. And today is unboxing of Chanel handbag. It's from 24A Meteor Dart collection, and in fact I haven't been shopped at Chanel for 2+ years, local one I mean. I did some shopping in January of 2023. It's almost like 2 years ago, when I was first time traveling to Paris, but I didn't buy any bag. I just got ready to wear and earrings. So by this time I got in fact 2 handbags. So today is the first one. I'm gonna do unboxing, so let me just do it quickly. I'm gonna do unboxing. I'm gonna share the price because this bag is not available on the website. I checked already because I want to maybe include the picture. It's not available, so I'm gonna share the price, and then I'm gonna show what fits inside. So this is, I think, the new style of the booklet, because as I said, it's been a while since I shopped at Chanel. I haven't seen this style of the booklet yet. So this is kind of almost like an envelope, and it has white quilting, and it says Chanel and moi. It means Chanel and me, and it's kind of like, you know, I guess explanation of the warranty, and there is polishing buffing cloth. So that's how they do it nowadays, because before it was totally different, and I really like this new packaging. Like, I truly feel that it's kind of more up level. So, and this is the handbag. Maybe I should do kind of like, you know. Okay, so I'm done with my snapshot. Let's do unboxing. There was the camellia before over here on the ribbon, but it fell off. So I'm just gonna try to put it on the box. Okay, gonna rip. Oh, I should have shown actually ripping off the kind of packaging. There is also kind of, I don't know, care booklets, explanation, I'm assuming, because as I said, looks like each year they're bringing something different, or maybe because I haven't shopped at Chanel for such a long time. So there you go, guys. And 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! There you go. Oops, sorry, I kicked you guys. So just bring it a little bit closer. Technically it's considered to be SLG, but it's really big enough, and when I saw for like the first time, it's right away reminds for me Chanel Palm Spring Mini. Maybe I'm gonna include picture over here, but it's even smaller than Chanel Palm Spring Mini. It has those kind of little hook right there. It has little pockets also up front, just kind of like paper packaging. Let me just put it back. So, and clearly in this pocket, it looks like it's big enough for the credit cards, or even like, you know, AirPods, like you can put it easily over there. So then on the side you have just a leather tag, and this very cute also CC tag. So let me unzip. And by the way, guys, it's a caviar. It's a black caviar leather. So, and it has this very not very long, but I mean long enough chain, and on top it almost looks like a double because there is this kind of like roundish ribbons or rimlets, I would say, that you can hook the hooks right there. On the hooks also there is a Chanel writing, and it's right now brand new because it's covered, so you're getting kind of like a double. And then it goes singles chains over here, then it's attached to this kind of like almost double hooks, so there is a top handle and there is a separate hook right there. So you can easily make it like wear it as a crossbody or the shoulders, or you can make it as a backpack, and I will show you in a second. So let me just remove all of this. So inside also just kind of burgundy color, I hope it will show, and there is a few slots over there for the credit cards. Most likely, let me just bring it really close. Yeah, you can see right now there is a few slots for the credit cards. So let me right now try to hook it and make it as a crossbody. And when it's a crossbody, also I tried in the boutique, it's you can make it kind of like a small short. You can make it like a short, you can make it as a short shoulder kind of, or backpack, which is also really cool. So let me just hook it like that and show to you. And on this rimlets hooks, let me see what it says actually right there. So over here it's on one side it says Chanel, and on another one it's just a CC. Yeah, really cool. Okay, so when I hook it, you see how it is like that on the back, and that's how it looks like. So as I said, you can either make it kind of on a shoulder or make it as a backpack. Absolutely the cutest things ever. Love it, love it, love it. But this is not for me, so that's why I don't wear any jewelry, so I don't want to scratch it. It's meant to be a gift for my daughter. So let me show you what actually fits inside of this bag. So first and most, of course, you have to put your cell phone, and my cell phone is iPhone 12. It's not Pro, it's not Maxi, just a regular, not a mini, regular size, and it fits absolutely perfectly over there. See, and there is even a little bit more space. So say I'm putting my Hermes CDC, and it's a duo, it's kind of puffy one. So again, you can see that it fits really nicely. Say I'm gonna put lipstick on the side. Say I wanna put a key clay, and let me put my car keys inside. This is Louis Vuitton key clay. Again, it fits absolutely easily. You can also put, I don't know, something extra, but not a long one, because like, let's say for instance, if I want to put my Prada sunglasses, I don't think they will fit, or if they fit, then the key clay I have to put kind of almost like a vertical on top. But if you don't want to put your say phone inside, then it's no problem. So in this case, I can maybe remove the key from the key pouch and just put in like that on top. So even the glasses and everything fits inside. It's like, as I said, it's really practical. Lots of things fits inside. I personally not a backpack person, so I would love to maybe even wear it like that, but this is not something that I would wear, though it's absolutely the cutest things ever. Very practical, kind of minimalistic design. But I mean, even from far away, you know that it's Chanel because of the quilting, because of the chains, because of those little tiny logos up front. But it's not like, you know, screaming very loud, ooh, Chanel. So anyway, let me try some different things inside to show you how it fits. So let's say I will remove my Hermes OxanaLV, and let's say the phone, I will keep it inside, because just for you to know that the phone is always in. Let's say I want to put a Chanel pouch or case. In this case also you can do Louis Vuitton mini pochette. Actually, maybe I should grab Louis Vuitton mini pochette and see, it goes in perfectly. Let's say if you want to use this as a wallet and catch all, etc. So, but I still even may be able to put my Chanel zippy wallet or zippy coin purse, what they call this kind of mini version. It's still able to fit in. It's just kind of like almost stretching, but even on top I still able to put lipstick or something, or let's say if you want to have a pack of chewing gum, etc. Really cute. I think this is the cutest things ever. And keep in mind, I didn't put any thing up front, but up front, if you want, you can maybe put parking ticket, something smaller one, and at the back there is nothing, just those only hook details. So what do you think, guys, of this absolute cutie? I think it's the cutest things ever. Okay, I'm gonna do also modeling shots right now at the end of the video, and maybe I'm gonna also in the smaller one after when I do editing, like, you know, putting like up there in the corner. Please let me know what you think of this little cutie. I don't even know what's the name of it. I'm assuming it's some kind of backpack, but as I said, it's SLG, so I guess they cannot really call it as a backpack per se. Where's my glasses? I just need my glasses for a second. So, and as I said, guys, because this is literally not available on the website, I want to share with you price, because for the SLG it's kind of a small, sorry, for the SLG it's kind of like big and not cheap per se, because it's, at the end of the day, it's not a handbag, it's SLG. So it says it's kind of OPH hold with chain, maybe or phone hold. Maybe it's like a phone holder meant to be with the chain, and the price in Canadian dollars, 5,725, and in Canada we have 13% taxes, I mean specifically in Toronto. So the final price was 6,469.25. Okay, yeah, that's the price for the Canadian market. So clearly in US I'm thinking it's maybe going to be around like 4,000 or something. So let me know what you think of this little cutie. And as I said, you can wear it so many different ways. You can wear it as a backpack, as a kind of like a shoulder. You can make it as a long crossbody, etc., or long shoulder. So let me know what you think of this cutie. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. I really love to get your feedback. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.